Welcome back to Mobix Auto, where classic automotive legends meet modern innovation. Today, we're taking a closer look at something truly special: the 2026 Volkswagen Bus T1 Samba. This isn't simply a return of a classic. It's a carefully crafted reimagining of a vehicle that once symbolized freedom, exploration, and a simpler way of traveling. At first glance, the 2026 T1 Samba immediately feels familiar. That iconic V-shaped front design remains, proudly showcasing the oversized Volkswagen emblem, a clear tribute to the original Type 1 bus from the 1950s. Yet everything around it has been refined for the modern era. Advanced LED matrix headlights paired with circular daytime running lights give the front a contemporary presence, while still preserving its unmistakable personality. The two-tone exterior finish, shown here in rich metallic red and deep gloss black, adds a level of luxury that elevates the classic silhouette. Chrome accents along the grille and bumpers enhance the vintage character, while modern air intakes and a lower front splitter provide a more confident and planted stance. From the side, the Samba retains its classic boxy proportions, but now sits lower thanks to a redesigned suspension system. Large 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with subtle red accents bring a sporty touch without overpowering the nostalgic design. The long glass panels and iconic split-window layout pay homage to the legendary 23-window Samba, yet every bodyline has been sharpened for improved aerodynamics. Chrome trim flows elegantly along the body, and discrete LED lighting near the lower panels improves visibility at night. This is no longer just a retro van. It's a refined cruiser built for modern roads. At the rear, Volkswagen continues the theme of heritage blended with innovation. The centered VW emblem is framed by sleek horizontal LED taillights that reflect the brand's current design language. A sport-inspired rear bumper features a diffuser, quad exhaust outlets, and subtle Samba badging that softly illuminates after dark. Every detail feels intentional, balancing simplicity with a hint of performance character. Inside the cabin, the transformation is just as impressive. The interior blends nostalgia with advanced technology, featuring premium two-tone leather upholstery in sand beige and graphite gray, accented with red stitching. Ambient lighting highlights the dashboard and doors, while panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light, a hallmark of the Samba experience. The cockpit is fully modern, with a digital driver display, a large infotainment screen, and an electronic gear selector. Even so, the classic two-spoke steering wheel remains, preserving the vehicle's vintage spirit. It's a space where comfort, technology, and timeless design come together. While official specifications have yet to be fully confirmed, reports suggest the 2026 T1 Samba will feature a hybrid electric powertrain. Expected output is around 320 horsepower, paired with all-wheel drive and instant torque delivery. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour is rumored to take approximately 6.5 seconds. Adaptive suspension and four-wheel disc brakes represent a major leap forward from the original model's mechanical roots. The 2026 Volkswagen Bus T1 Samba is expected to debut in late 2025, with deliveries beginning in early 2026. Pricing is rumored to start around $110,000, positioning it as a limited production collector's vehicle rather than a mass-market van. The 2026 T1 Samba isn't just a vehicle, it's a celebration of automotive history, thoughtfully reimagined for drivers who appreciate craftsmanship, innovation, and emotional design. If you enjoy seeing iconic vehicles brought back with purpose, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mobix Auto, and turn on notifications for more automotive stories like this. The past is back, and it's moving forward with confidence.